Hey everybody. So it's definitely been a minute since I have done anything new on this channel, and I want to make a video just to let you guys know that I am okay. Some might be wondering if something happened to me or something of that nature. No, I'm doing okay. I needed to take a break from doing YouTube videos on this channel, and also I really haven't been doing much in this room for like the past several months. One of the videos I posted pretty recently well, not recently, but one of the videos I posted not long before I had stopped posting videos was a video about a Jeep I bought from our local pull apart. And needless to say, I've been investing some time and effort in messing around with that thing. I've needed to take a break from working on computers and instead focus on other things. Just had a lot of things going on, and of course doing something new I think has been helpful for me. But I need to go and discuss a few things. So of course I've been busy, but another thing is, well, and I've discussed this a few times on the channel. Now, of course, this is not the fault of my viewers or anything, but it seems that YouTube is very sort of discriminatory against older channels in not promoting videos through the algorithm like it should. Channels like my channel, other channels like 3D Game Man, other channels that have been on the platform for a very long time, YouTube is not pushing videos from our channels like it pushes these new videos from these AI slop channels. YouTube has definitely started to have some issues with slop on its platform, and the algorithm, the way it's designed, it promotes slop instead of content from long-time creators. And needless to say that it's pretty discouraging for someone like myself to put in hours of time and effort and sometimes money spent on my own pocket to put together a video and to get like 200 views. That's like a slap in the face, actually, if you think about it. And it's to the point where I had to make a decision. I had to make a decision, basically say, okay, if YouTube's not going to prioritize me, I'm not going to prioritize YouTube. I want to have lots of other things going on that I need to take care of. So therefore, YouTube has taken a back seat for a while. Now, I have been on occasion posting thunderstorm videos and stuff over on CubeComp MBDX, and also I posted one video about the Jeep situation, and I'm also going to be posting a new video possibly on this channel about it too, to try to get a little more reach, because the issue is not about the Jeep, it's about laws that are needlessly destroying good cars, or cars that need just some work done to them, which that'll be a topic for that video. But anyways, I do want to mention that I'm doing okay. The channel has not been shut down. There will be new videos in the future. I can't say when that will be. I can't say when I will start regularly posting videos again on the channel. It might be in a few weeks, it might be in a few months, it might be next year. I don't know. It just depends on when I can put more of my time into videos on this channel, and hopefully at a time when YouTube will start to prioritize the existing channels more again. Again, as mentioned, YouTube, it seems to prioritize AI slop over the existing creators that have long been on the platform for many years. And also brand new creators too. They tend to get more views than older creators from what I've seen. Like I say, it's kind of insulting for existing creators who have been on the platform for many years, who have contributed to this platform for, in some cases, over a decade, to be treated this way. But another thing I want to talk about is I've just, due to what's going on here lately with AI, or as I call it, ALI, Artificial Limited Intelligence, I've been kind of discouraged from really messing with computers a lot here lately, because the thing is, the cost of memory is through the roof, the cost of solid state drives are through the roof. This AI is needlessly driving up prices on computer components. It's driving up the cost of electricity, it's driving up, well, in some cases driving up the cost of water, or it's causing water shortages in some areas, or it could be. It's causing noise issues, it's bad for the environment. Many people do not want AI, but it's being forced upon us by the big billionaires. And like I say, the thing I'm concerned about is, okay, if the United States, they win this AI race, okay, then what? Then what? How's it going to financially survive when most people have zero interest in AI? A lot of people do not want AI. A lot of people do not want these data centers being built, but they're being built left and right anyways, and these big companies, they are buying up all the SSDs, buying up all the memory, buying up all the GPUs, or the resources for those items. They're getting all bought up. Memory companies are prioritizing AI over computers and things like that. And it's funny to think, okay, that's great now if we have all this great AI stuff, but okay, if nobody can afford a PC or a tablet or a phone because the price of building these devices is so outrageously expensive, well, then what good is AI going to be? You know? So, yeah, it's like I say, a combination of a few different things. I've just needed to take a break from computers and stuff in general. Now, of course, the computer in here is an absolute mess because, well, I have not spent much time in here. I really haven't, to be honest. I have not spent much time in this room over the past several months because I've been working on other things. I've been turning wrenches more than I've been turning screwdrivers, put it that way. So, like I say, I did want to make this video to just put out something new on the channel because it's been a while since I've put anything new on the channel. And like I say, I've taken a back seat from YouTube, at least this channel, so much to the point where I haven't even been checking comments here lately. Like I say, the thing is, it comes back again to YouTube not prioritizing my videos, therefore I'm not prioritizing YouTube. But anyways, I do let y'all know that I'm doing okay. Like I say, just got other things going on. So anyways, the rest of his video, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.